The rubber industry is moving towards a greener future, and Lignochem Composites is leading the way. Lignochem Composites is introducing Ecolin. Eco-friendly and carbon-economized, organic, lean, innovative materials via nature-aligned chemistry. Ecolin RX, a green antioxidant that protects rubber from heat and oxygen, extending product life while reducing dependence on conventional petroleum-based chemicals. Ecolin RZ80, a green antiozonant, engineered to guard rubber against cracking and degradation caused by ozone exposure. Completing the range is Ecolin AF, a smart carbon black extender that helps lower overall carbon footprint and supports greener material innovation in rubber applications. Together, Ecolin RX, Ecolin RZ80, and Ecolin AF offer a new path to performance with responsibility. Lignochem Composites, bringing next-generation green additive for rubber industry.